Well, guys, we got an issue. Let's figure out what it is. Actually, I already know what it is. So, you know what? It's not only coming out right there, but it's also coming out right there. Now, stick around and I'll show you what it is. Alright, so I know that looked like a whole bunch on the floor, but that's about all that I got up off of the floor. That's after we ran the shower for, I don't know, maybe maybe an hour. So, not as bad as it looks, but I am going to show you what it was. Here we go. All right, so here's what I got. Let's get some light in here. How's that? I've got several places this whole entire wall is cracked. I got pieces that are coming out. I got stuff like that, holes in this corner. You see, I've got that entire hole. It's not real great, but I don't want to start yanking all this stuff down. See, I've got, let's see, got a hole there, got a hole there. I want to start taking all the tile down because I'm going to refinish this bathroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a redneck fix and seal it up. I'm going to do that. Let's see, a little 100% waterproof seal, quick seal. So I'll do that right quick. Alright, so this is what I did. I didn't try to make it pretty, I didn't even try to clean it up real well. I just went ahead and caulked that. Caulked this other side. Fix that hole on the bottom. Fix a couple of holes around. Over here. Get a little bit in that corner because there's a hole there. Alright, and we'll see if that fixes it. Who knows? We'll just have to wait and see. I'll catch y'all later. And until next time, y'all have a good evening. Go tell your friends, tell your family, and tell a zombie if you see one. Bye-bye.